animals do not have
I will
same.
find it.
Did you check the order?
So we can change that.
We can change the
Victor, please.
Maybe you can just write it very short. And then you can just explain.
I don't know the.
Don't feel shy, Victor.
Yes. I don't know how to fix it.
I will help her. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just short it and then you just
We did an extra point. There are 2 people.
아까 와. 그래. 에이.
여기 need to
But that's already wrote.
히림?
It's okay. Why are you insulting your own
너
student?
이름 실림이야? 중국 이름이야? 많이 해? 잘해? 잘하냐 이거? 잘하냐? 한국말 잘해? 너 중국말 하잖아. 너 중국말 해줘.
I don't speak Chinese.
Yeah.
He's very
Yeah.
And him.
With the yellow. With the yellow white?
Yes, you.
Yes. What about me?
You're good at Chinese.
Time is going to end 10, 9, 8,
We have
Yeah. We won.
7,
Can you ask Can you ask in Chinese?
5,
Oh, she's moving.
4,
Speed of light.
3,
That's so slow.
2, 1, 0. Stop. Okay? We have 9 here. And 11 here. Okay, so you can go first. You can go first, explain it.
어디서?
For the cons group, would you please listen carefully and make sure that you understand what your group talking about, and you can make some judgment or if you like.
Okay, the first word is safe human life.
Say
That's being
human
mean and
lives,
selfish.
야,
Being mean and selfish.
원?
Human beings are mean
you can
and selfish.
see one thing from different perspectives, right? Okay, the next one.
I think they
Second one
should.
is the animals are similar to human biology.
Are you sure that you're from the strongest one to the weakest one? Yes.
Maybe.
Okay. Do you have anything to compete with that?
Animals.
Nothing.
Number 3, animals do not have same
Oh.
bodies, functions, and structures.
Your lack of science knowledge. You need to learn.
And then your third one is
There is no alternative method to test the medicine.
Yeah. Oh,
Other ways?
you name it.
What other ways?
Just name it.
Yeah, wow.
Can you name
This is
it?
what video said.
Can you name it?
Yeah, but the video is not
Other
every.
ways to test medicine. Which ways?
You name
Video
it.
is
Yeah. Which way? To the human?
Yeah, you cannot use it unless you
Asian
know.
directly. It is
Yeah,
actually.
What if human dies? Ro is talking.
because it's not like a debate. It's just like you're saying that your pros and your cons, and then we will use them to write and this is statement. Okay, so it's not a debate.
Why?
Please.
It's not fun.
Okay,
then.
it's just a competition.
And it's not
No,
fun.
come on, please.
You can also save animals' lives.
Do you have the same thing here?
No. You say extinction is one.
Maybe the possibility of extinction because we use too many animals.
But we have to make
Because
That's impossible.
Which one is the answer?
you have possible
Possibility of extinction.
extinction.
Because used.
But
We have.
The reproduce. They are very reproductive thing.
Yeah.
No,
The
but
tasted animals
No,
usually have a higher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
plus, we're
Like
about
such
wild
as
animals.
mouse.
Here the when they're not using the wild animals.
Yeah.
They use it like
Yeah.
mouse, like
Yeah.
mice.
And
No, but they
monkey.
use wild animal for chimpanzees for physical structures.
Yeah, we
Chicken
have to
but
use
mice
animals
can
for
have good structures.
Even the research.
Please go on.
If not testing an animal, if not testing the animals, development of technology will be constrained.
If not testing one animal, development constrained.
But there will be no
Will be,
improvements.
technology will be constrained.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. And number 6?
Since it's not too different from eating animals,
Yeah.
so you kill them. The tested animals usually have a reproduction method. The tested animals
What's the number? Excuse me. What's the number 7?
I said that the tested animals usually have a higher production.
Reproduction. Okay.
And the tested animals are usually harmful to human.
And human eliminate them anyway.
Why they're harmful to?
You eliminate mouse anyway in your house.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
if mouse is in your
House,
house,
you
you try to catch it and kill it, but
If it's
why
in
not
your
in the
house,
lady?
Yeah.
Okay.
We make good of
Okay.
won.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah, they use dogs.
They don't use the wild animals.
They don't use what?
Wild
Wild
animals.
animals.
Basically,
We can control for social factors, and it takes time. So you taste it.
to develop
animals,
that.
if it goes well, you will.
But that's your imagination, because you think that it can be used in the human body, but some of the
But we
research
think
and
also
experiment.
I
won't
thought
be-
there's no
there?
debate.
the same
There
about
is
the
that.
other West.
It's not
other
clear.
West.
Okay, I know that you have 11 points, right? And so that's 11 points. And you're going to put it from the strongest one to the weakest one, right? So you think save human lives will be the strongest one.
Yes.
Okay, let's say what they have.
Okay. Number 1, every animal has right to live.
Are you vegetarian?
No, I'm not talking about that. Number 2, there are other ways to test medicine, such as directly to human. And number 3,
Human.
Yeah, you can kill human.
Yeah.
You can cause some
Test on you.
worse situation, like
no,
mutation.
same as to
Mutation
animals.
of a human. It's worse than the mutation in the animal.
Same as to animals.
What will you choose?
What to do about it?
Okay. Number 3, animals do not have the same body functions and
No.
structures.
90%.
90%. Mine says is 90%
Okay, we know
similar
that.
body.
Please listen.
Okay, 90% is fine.
I read the article.
Number 4, such experiments destroy the equilibrium between nature and humanity.
We don't use wild animals.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Okay. And number 5, there are possibilities of mutation.
Mutation.
And number 6 is unethical because you're using animals until they die. But we don't just leave them alive.
That's the same as number 1.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
This is
This is
this
basically
is concern of living and this is concern of how to live.
It's better than just putting the medicine to the human.
Number 7, there are possibilities of extinction because we use too many animals. And, number 8, cost of research. To find right animals, you have to use a lot of money to find them. And number 9, there are possibilities of abusing animals.
Okay, so next. So you have 9 points.
And oh,
Yeah, but I say that if you can get some extra points if you can put it from the strongest one to the weakest one. But here we say that you all have different opinions, and some people say that every animal has rights to live, but somebody say that you can use animals' life to save humans' life. So they're different. So I can't give you extra points. So that's it. The way with this group. But you should behave much more polite when they're saying something right. Okay?
come on.
Let's move on, because we don't have enough time. So thank you. You did a very good job. first to just save humans' life, but right now you can see other things very different from your own perspectives. So that's why we use it. And after that, we can see we can use it to write your because statement. Because why we're discussing about that is because we're going to talk about the argumentative essay. And argumentative essay, you have to write a thesis statement. That is something you put first in your essay that puts out your main point of your essay. And so that your readers would understand what you're saying, and you can also follow that thing in your own writing. So let's have an example about this. Well, I would read it. Although the powerful American Medical Association has so far refused to recognize the usefulness of alternative medical techniques, such as acupuncture, because U.S. physicians believes that no scientific theory or empirical research support the claims of healing, and the lack of quality control in the U.S. can easily result in harm to patients. Acupuncture should become an accepted part of the mainstream medicine profession, because first, it has a history of thousands of years of use that demonstrates its success in healing some medical problems. And secondly, it is a completely non-harmful, non-toxic process. And thirdly, it is done by highly trained medical personnel who must pass rigorous examinations. Well, for this paragraph, you can already see the things in your handout. What is the part after although? What does it mean? Why we use is there? Well, you can see it as a counter argument that you like the cons. You don't what you don't agree with, and you can list a lot of things like although the American Medical Association don't think that the acupuncture is a good way to heal people's life. And then we comes here, acupuncture should become an acceptable part of the mainstream medical profession. We say that the author just put his own position here. And then we have highlight the because part. In this part, we're going to say some evidence. That is the pros. We're going to list there. The pros would be the first, the second, the third one, that you can use them to support your pros. And that is your position. Your position is what? The acupuncture should become an acceptable part of